name is Amanda Steen.
And I'm Shira Stoll.
And this is another episode of SI Live Tries, and we are at the Wrecking Club in Manhattan. And I figured since now that my leg is healed, I can go out and smash some things, let out some tension from the last 3 months, and just, get my anger out. Shira, what's your reason for being here?
Well, I did just drive into Manhattan and there was a lot of traffic, so I am ready to rage.
Rage! All right, let's do it. Can you just tell me a little bit about how you started this Wrecking Club?
Sure. I used to be an accountant, and I was getting really bored. I wanted to go start my own business, and I wanted to do something cool. And a couple ideas were floating around there, and this is the one that I ended up executing.
How much fun are you having? What? How much fun are you having? Just picturing some people in my head just really gets me going. This is for all of you who have ever hated your printers at your office. I do this in memory of you. 2, 3. Oh damn. I'm gonna need some energy. You gotta put this up first.
This one is a little family. It says happy anniversary, happy Hanukkah, happy runner-up fantasy football finish to these cute little 3 kids. I'm about to break this. Sorry.
3. This is so liberating. Oh, it's hard. This is wrong. All right, I'm a little out of breath.
Oh my god, this is ridiculous.
But I feel like I really released a lot of built up stress. Living in New York City is really stressful. And I feel like coming to a place like this, you can just do whatever you want, destroy everything, and just release.
And get a workout too. I mean, I'm sweating.
I'm sweating too. Do you see this? This is sweat. All right, well, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on SILive.com.